Hi, I'm Andrew from Wrenwane, and today I'd like to talk about our kitchen timer product. So this is the timer itself. It is made of high quality hard plastic, and as you can see it has a nice attractive look. The display is large, allowing for clear digits to easily be seen at a distance. The 3 buttons are also large, which give you all the options to start, stop, set and reset the timer. The power switch is located here on the side, and for ease of placement there is a large magnet on the back for placement on a refrigerator, or if you'd rather place it on a work surface, there is the retractable stand. The battery compartment is located here, and it takes a single AAA battery. Now let's look at the functions of the timer. The 3 buttons are minutes, seconds and start and stop. To set the timer, you simply press the number of minutes, the number of seconds, and then you press start. The timer will then count down until it reaches 0 and the alarm will sound. To stop the timer, you simply press stop. To reset, you press the minutes and the seconds together. If you wish to use the stopwatch facility, you don't set the timer, you simply press start. Again, to stop the timer, you press stop and reset. Now let's listen to the alarm. As you can see, the alarm is not too loud to be deafening, but can clearly be heard in another room. As discussed, the Wrenwane kitchen timer can be placed in one of 2 positions, either on a fridge using the fridge magnet, or you can remove the retractable stand and place it on the desktop. So there you have it. The Wrenwane kitchen timer offers simplistic controls, clear digits and an audible alarm, all in an attractive casing. You can purchase your own from Amazon.com by following the link below this video. Thank you.